Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best protein treatment for hair. Protein treatments are essential for strengthening and repairing damaged strands. They work by filling in the gaps in your hair's cuticle, which can be caused by heat styling, chemical processes, or environmental stressors. Understanding these treatments is the first step to achieving healthier, more resilient hair. We'll explore how they function and what benefits they offer. There are several types of protein treatments, each with unique benefits. Hydrolyzed protein treatments, for example, feature smaller protein molecules that can penetrate the hair shaft more deeply, offering intensive repair. Keratin treatments are well known for smoothing the hair cuticle, significantly reducing frizz and enhancing shine. Collagen treatments, on the other hand, focus on improving hair elasticity and moisture retention, making hair more supple and less prone to breakage. Choosing the right protein treatment depends heavily on your hair's specific needs. First, assess your hair's porosity and the extent of its damage. For fine hair or hair with low porosity, lighter protein treatments are often more suitable, preventing stiffness. Conversely, severely damaged hair or hair with high porosity will typically benefit from more intensive protein formulas, which provide a stronger rebuilding effect. Always match the treatment to your hair's current condition. Proper application and frequency are crucial for effective protein treatments. Always apply the treatment to clean, damp hair to ensure optimal absorption of the beneficial proteins. Carefully follow the product's instructions for processing time, which usually ranges from 5 to 20 minutes. To prevent protein overload, which can make hair brittle, it's generally recommended to use these treatments every 4 to 6 weeks. Consistency and moderation are key for healthy, strong hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.